Let's talk about how to do a foundation stripe test. If you're watching this, you're probably my customer, and I've already sent you samples of 3 different shades. Most of us are either ivory, beige, or bronze. The next step is to find your undertone. We may have discussed what your undertone was based on some questions about how your skin reacts in the sun, but whether you're trying to figure out your undertone or just your shade depth level, the best way to find out is to do a stripe test. Since our goal is to match your neck, typically you would stripe test here along your jawline so that it matches your décolleté area. For people with rosacea like me, sometimes that's not as easy to tell because it's competing with the redness. In that instance, I recommend also doing a stripe test here on your collarbone. When you stripe test, you want to make sure that it kind of stays on top of your skin and has a chance to dry before you evaluate it. I don't know what it is in here. It's called IntelliMatch technology. I just tell my customers it's unicorn tears, but it will self-adjust to your skin and the undertone will be really visible. This one is really close to this area here, but this area right here when I'm standing up normally gets a lot of shade and doesn't get the same sun as the rest of my body that I'm trying to match when I'm wearing a tank top or a t-shirt. So this underside is going to be a lot more pale than my décolleté area. These would probably blend in pretty well to my face, but my face is not a reliable judge because of my rosacea. I've got so many different colors going on, so I'm going to do the collarbone test. Now normally I would never do a layer this heavy and not blend it. Can you tell where I put it? No? Then that just might be my shade. Which one do you think it is? Ivory W130, Ivory W150, or Beige W100? Time's up. Here's the winner. Beige W100. Are you surprised? That's why a stripe test is so important. Checking your collarbone area is always a reliable backup. But really, the only way to know for sure is to put it on your face. So I've already applied my Mary Kay at Play Wipeout Redness Stick to neutralize my rosacea and do some color correction. Now I'm ready to use the Beige W100 with my trusty blending brush. Are you surprised? There you go. You should have a seamless transition when looking at your face to your décolleté. It should just look like you have great skin.